Can you play Sea of Thieves? Oh wait,
Okay, really?
well, can you? You can't even handle it probably.
I mean, give me a better graphics card.
I was able to handle Sea of Thieves at 70 frames with a GTX 1050 Ti.
This is good for you. No need to flex. Damn.
You know what I use now?
What? 1080 Ti.
GTX 1080. Not a Ti, I'm poor.
Oh. Screw
GTX
you.
1080 with an i7 800
Okay,
700K
shut up.
process.
Okay, shut up. Once
Okay,
again, don't flex.
with RGB on my mouse pad and on my scissors and on my monitor. My pixels have RGB, do you?
What is that even supposed to mean?
My computer case is a light bulb, okay? Fight me.
I don't want that. Freaking I can't speak.
Lucas. No. Could have
Exactly.
gone like a PC that's like better than mine. Nah, I want some of those lights, you know?
Oh my gosh. Wait. I'm actually doing like full on algorithms
Dude,
here.
I'm
I
barely
live such a sad life.
Dude, my PC's barely running 60 frames on Sea of Thieves right now.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, this game eats you.
Whoa.
It might be because I have all my graphics on the best.
Nice.
Yo man. You see this?
Wait, what?
This is how Sea of Thieves would look like for you.
I'm in the middle of something, Chief.
No.
No. Oh, wait, what did I just do? I turned the Rubik's Cube so fast.
Don't worry, Chief. Barely running 60 frames.
Wait, no, I
Oh my
turned the
god,
Rubik's Cube
it's
upside down. No, no,
it's
no.
dipping to the 30s, man.
There, my goodness. That's tough, man. This is probably the longest part. This is why I need to
I
learn the
wanna I
algorithm.
wanna spice up my ship, you know what I'm saying?
I
Put
want to
some of that
spice
gay
you
stuff
up, no
on it.
homo.
That's pretty gay.
That's why I said no homo, chief.
No, it's just gay.